Hello everyone, welcome to my channel EC Point. I am going to discuss about a very important topic of digital electronics, that is gates. Universal gates and basic gates. So let's start. First of all, what do you mean by universal gates? Universal gates are such type of gates that need to take help from other gates to implement Boolean expression. And this type of gates can act independently. NAND gate and NOR gates are the two universal gates. What do you mean by basic gates? Basic gates are such type of gates that need to take help from universal gates to implement Boolean expression. AND gate, OR gate, NOT gates are the examples of basic gates. Now, this is a two-input AND gate, where x and y are the two inputs and z is the output. The Boolean expression of AND gate is z equals to x dot y. You can see from the truth table that AND gate can produce higher output if the two inputs of AND gates are higher. Otherwise, it will produce lower output. This is the basic feature of AND gate. Now this is OR gate. So two input OR gate where x and y are the inputs, z is the output. And the Boolean expression of OR gate is z equals to x plus y. From the truth table of OR gate, we can see that OR gate can produce lower output when the two inputs of OR gates are lower. Otherwise, it will produce higher outputs. And this is the basic feature of OR gate. This is NOT gate. NOT gate is working like an inverter, and a Boolean expression of NOT gate is C equals to A bar. That means when the input is low, output is high, input is high, output is low. And there is one type of gate called buffer, and in case of buffer, when the input is 0, output is 0, input is 1, output is 1. Now, NAND gate, the universal gate, NOT plus AND gate equals to NAND gate. You can see this is the symbolic representation of NAND gate. This is same like AND gate with a NOT symbol. The Boolean expression of NAND gate is C equals to A dot B bar. And you can see that NAND gate can produce lower output when the two inputs of NAND gates are higher. This is the opposite case of AND gate. This is NOR gate, NOT plus OR gate. And this is the Boolean expression of NOR gate, C equals to A plus B bar. And this is a symbolic representation. You can see that NOR gate can produce a higher output when the two inputs of NOR gate are lower.